It's time for math routines. Try to find a piece of paper and something to write with. If you can't, that's okay. You can always just solve in your head or you solve using your fingers. Remember, you can pause the video anytime you need to if you need more time to solve.
Hey, first grade. I'm excited to do more math with you today. The first thing we're going to do is look at some counting patterns. And our challenge for this morning is to try to figure out what is this pattern counting by? Is it counting by ones, tens, or 100s? Let's get to work. In this pattern, I see 347, 357, 367, say it with me, 377, 387, 397. Which digit is staying the same every time? The hundreds, the tens, or the ones? I agree, definitely the ones. It's always a 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. And in this case, the 3 in the hundreds place stays the same too. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. So the digit that's changing is the tens. Good. Is it getting bigger or smaller in the tens place? That's right, it's getting bigger. I see 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens. So that means we're counting up by tens. Great job, first grade. Let's try the next one. What is Charlie's pattern counting by? Let's start by saying the pattern together. 192, keep going. 182, 172, 162, 152. What is this pattern counting by? I agree, it's counting by tens. The ones place stays at 2. And in this case, the hundreds place stays a 1. Only the tens are changing. 9 tens, 8 tens, 7 tens, 6 tens, 5 tens. So is it going up by tens or down by tens? That's right, it's going down by tens because counting down means the numbers get smaller. Down by 10. Excellent job. Now we're going to fill in what comes next. Count these numbers, get ready, go. 807, 707, 607, blank, 407. Well, these all end in 07, 010, 71, 010, 71, 010, 71. So my guess is this number will have 010, 71s. Is this number changing in the ones, the tens, or the hundreds then? I agree, the hundreds place is changing. 800, this number has 700, good. This number has 600, so this number must have 500. And we said the tens and the ones stay the same. So my answer is most likely 500 what? Good job, 507. All right, last one. Finish the counting pattern. Count with me. 326, 336, 346, blank, 366, 376. What number do you think comes right here in the blank? Let's see if you're right. I notice those 6's in the ones place are the same every time. And for now, that 3 in the hundreds place also remains the same, which tells me it's this middle digit in the tens place that's changing. Here it's a 2, good, 2 tens. Here it's a 3, good, 3 tens. Here it's a 4. So here I bet, how many tens will it have? I think so too, 5. Let's find out. The 3 for 300 stays the same, 5 tens, and how many ones? You got it, 6. Let's see if we're right. Great job, first grade. Way to go, you did it. Now we're going to practice counting by 100s. Let's start this counting pattern together. Count with me. 251, 351. And now you can go grab some scrap paper and something to write with. And if you don't have that, you can just count out loud. What are the next 3 numbers in my counting by 100s pattern? Get to work. I notice we go from 200s to 300s. So next would most likely be 400s. That makes sense. 451. Next is 551. Good. And last is 651. Nice job. Now we're going to do a missing part total problem. So again, write this down on your scrap paper nearby. And if not, we'll just try to solve together in our heads. That's okay. Our number sentence, read it with me, is 11 equals blank minus 6. What is the sign in this number sentence? Is it plus or minus? Yeah, it's minus. We know in first grade what comes right before the minus sign. That's right, the big total we're breaking apart. So go ahead and label your parts and totals now. If you're like me, you labeled that missing blank a T for total. We're looking for the big number. Get to work trying to find that big missing total. We can put those 2 parts together. 11 and 6 together make my big total 17. Nice job. Now draw a bar model to represent this number sentence. Go. Don't forget to show the 2 numbers for the parts and the total across the top. You can check out mine if you're not sure. I have my one part 11, my other part 6, and then my big total 17 across the top. Let's try one more missing part total problem. Read this with me. Go. 12 equals 17 minus blank. Copy it down and label your parts and totals. Nice job noticing that my sign today is a minus sign. And right in front of the minus sign is the big total. So what am I missing? A part or a total? Exactly, a part, because 17 is my big total. So 12 and some other little number would make 17. See if you can figure out the missing part. Get to work. I know some friends are starting at 17 and either counting back 12 or crossing out 12. Or maybe you're starting at your part 12 and counting up to your total 17. and seeing how many jumps or fingers get you there. Because 12 plus some other small part will get us to our total 17. If you found the missing part 5, good job you. Now draw a bar model to represent this number sentence. Get to work. Shout out to friends who showed 17 across the top for the big total and 12 and 5 within the bar as the 2 small parts. Nice job. Now we're going to practice our doubles facts. But before we do that with flashcards, we're going to listen to a really fun double song to help lock our double facts in our brain.
These are the doubles, 1 through 12. We're adding numbers to themselves. These are the doubles, 1 through 12. We're adding numbers to themselves. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 3 plus 3 is 6. 4 plus 4 is 8. Time to concentrate. 4 plus 4 is 8. 5 plus 5 is 10, my friend. 6 plus 6 is 12. 7 and 7 make 14. And 8 plus 8 is 16. 9 plus 9 is 18. And 10 and 10 make 20. 2 11s are 22. And 12 plus 12 is 24. These are the doubles, 1 through 12. We're adding numbers to themselves. These are the doubles, 1 through 12. We're adding numbers to themselves.
Now that we practice our doubles facts with that super fun song, we're also going to practice them on flashcards. Alrighty, so as quickly as you can answer, just do your best. Here comes your doubles facts. First one. Nice, 8. Good, 0. Nice, 2. You got it, 12. Good, 4. Nice, 10. You got it, 6. Nice, 18. Good, 16. Nice, 14. You're getting so much faster. All right. Today we're going to end with guess the winning number. So here come your clues. Get ready. Clue number 1, I am smaller than 20. Okay, so we're looking for a number smaller than 20. I am greater than 10 plus 1. Remind me, what's 10 plus 1 again? Oh yeah, 11. So greater than 11, but smaller than 20. Okay. I am a doubles fact answer. Hey, we just reviewed those. 4 plus 4 is 8. No, 8's not bigger than 11. 5 plus 5 is 10. No, 10's not bigger than 11. 6 plus 6 is 12. Maybe it's 12. I have a 6 in the ones place. No, can't be 6 plus 6 makes 12. 7 plus 7 makes 14. Oh no, that doesn't have a 6 in the ones place. Oh, you're right. 8 plus 8. 8 plus 8 makes, that's right, 16. 16 is definitely smaller than 20. 16 is greater than 10 plus 1. 16 is a doubles fact answer because 8 plus 8. And 16 has a 6 in the ones place. Let's see if we're right. The winning number is 16. Nice job finding the winning number for today, first grade. Thanks for doing math with me today. I'll see you next time.